Buckaroo's eating these cicadas like they're popcorn. Thinks he's at the movies. I guess these are the 13-year locusts. Or 17-year locusts or whatever. He is gobbling them up. Yum, yum. I have never tried one, but I guess if they're good enough for John the Baptist, they're good enough for Bucky. How you doing?
Doing good, good.
My dog is eating cicadas.
Well, good. I'm glad somebody is.
I'll leave it to him. I'm not really in the mood for him right now.
Yeah, I'm not. They might be good fried.
Yeah. Well, you're making a meal out of it, boy. You are making a meal out of it. Whoa. All right, you're making me hungry now.